मैं असिस्टेंट हेड गर्ल थी। फिर एक फोन आया, फिर स्नैपचैट आ गया, फिर प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस, फिर मैंने टीचर से लड़ाई कर ली। एंड दैट इज हाउ आई बिकेम माय टीचर्स बिगेस्ट एनिमी। हाय गाइस। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे पहले आई नो मैं गायब थी बहुत दिनों से, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, वीडियो शूट हुए पड़े हैं, लाइक ऑलरेडी शॉट, बट यू नो स्कूल लाइफ, हॉस्टल एंड इन सब के साथ मुझे बस टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा था एडिटिंग करने का। एंड प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन तो ऑफ कोर्स भाई, उसको तो मैं कभी भी अपने से दूर नहीं कर सकती। बट समर वेकेशंस आर हियर एंड आई एम फाइनली होम, सो होपफुली अब वीडियोस थोड़े कंसिस्टेंट आएंगे, so don't unfollow me please, thank you. Also, this video is probably one of the craziest school stories I have, so अरे यार ये खुल क्यों नहीं रहा, पहले से खोलने दो मुझे। गाइस, मैंने अपना कुर्ता उल्टा पहना हुआ है इतनी देर से, मैंने इसे सीधा करके मुझे अभी तुरंत रियलाइज हुआ मैंने ये उल्टा पहना हुआ है। कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, ये सब होता रहता है, मैं इसे सीधा करके आती हूँ। ओके गाइस, आई एम बैक विद अ सीधा कुर्ता। मैं सीधे कुर्ते में हूँ अब। ये आई फील सो एम्बैरेस्ड, आई डोंट इवन नो कि ये क्लिप मैं डालूंगी अपने वीडियो में या नहीं, बट ओके, आई फील सो एम्बैरेस्ड। सो दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट, this story particularly is about how I went from being my teacher's favorite student to probably her least favorite students ever, like one of the least favorite students ever. And honestly, looking back, I think everyone in the story was very dramatic, including me. Without any further ado, let's begin the video. Let's begin the story. So, when I entered in 8th grade, I shifted to this very well-known school of my hometown. And in that school, there was this one teacher. And before even meeting her, I had heard legends about her. Like literal legends. So, let's call that teacher Chutki ma'am. Yes, Chutki ma'am. Okay. Don't ask why, I just like that name, so I'm giving her the name Chutki. Okay. So, मैंने सुना था कि Chutki ma'am fights for her students like a lawyer. And like literal lawyer. So, apparently this one time our class got merged with her class. And Chutki ma'am fought over it like, मेरे बच्चे इनके साथ नहीं बैठेंगे, मेरे बच्चे अलग क्लास में बैठेंगे, मेरा क्लास कंबाइन नहीं होगा। एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली उस दिन मैं एब्सेंट थी, मैं पूरा सिनेमैटिक इंट्रो मिस कर गई एंटायर। अच्छा, ये मैं यहाँ पर, हे भगवान मैं गलत क्यों लगा रही हूँ। हाँ, तो मैं कह रही कि मैं यहाँ पर नीचे इसलिए देख रही हूँ क्योंकि नीचे मेरा मिरर है और मुझे कैमरा में देखने में थोड़ी दिक्कत होती है, तो मैं शायद समय समय पे नीचे देखती रहूँ, तो मुझे माफ़ कर देना। और मुझे मेकअप करना नहीं आता है, अगर कोई मुझे कुछ भी बोला, तेरी ऐसी की तैसी, मुझे नहीं आता, ठीक है, बस तो थोड़े सेट होने देंगे, तब तक मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ। Entire 8th grade passes, no interaction, nothing. Then time jumps and I come in 9th grade. Okay, so in our school there was this one rule कि whoever got the highest marks in 8th grade automatically became the assistant head girl in 9th. And somehow that student was, so I became the assistant. Academic validation was literally carrying my entire personality उस time. So my first actual interaction with Chutki ma'am was me going to ask her, "Ma'am, am I assistant head girl?" And she was like, "Yes, you are." Very sweetly, very proudly. And from there, our interactions started. Because she also became my English teacher and she was the CCA coordinator. So she knew me everywhere. PTMs. PTMs maybe, she used to praise me so much in front of my parents. Like, I'd be just awkwardly standing there, like, and she would be giving my whole LinkedIn introduction. Trust me. And I'd be like, "ये मैं हूँ?" Now, before I continue, you guys need to understand this one thing about my school. So, my school was very traditional about boys and girls interacting. And by traditional, I mean विंडोज खोल दो तो ऐसा रिएक्शन आता है जैसे साइबर सिक्योरिटी लीक हो गई हो भाई. So, my school had 2 blocks, girls block, boys block, and they both faced each other, which means technically boys and girls एक दूसरे को देख सकते थे. Scandalous, criminal, literally it was illegal in our school. अभी आप मेरे को मेरा आईलाइनर सेशन देख लो पहले, उसके बाद मैं आगे की स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी आप लोगों को. गाइज, मैं आईलाइनर लगा के आती हूँ, फिर मैं आगे की स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ. मुझे माफ कर दीजिए, मुझे नहीं पता था आज मेरा आईलाइनर इतना गंदा लगने वाला, नहीं तो मैं नहीं लगाती. बहुत गंदा लगा है, बट ओके, वी विल ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. इवन though the process is not trustworthy, but still we will trust the process. And हम लोग इसको थोड़ा सा सही करने का कोशिश करेंगे. सही करने के प्रयास में मैं यहाँ पर ये एक काजल यूज कर रही हूँ. अभी हम लोग स्टोरी टाइम कंटिन्यू करेंगे, पर ये भी जरूरी है. अगर ये इसके बाद भी खराब ही दिखा तो आई गिव अप. तुम लोग मुझे गंदे ही लुक में देख लेना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Not bad guys, right? Like it is looking fine. It's looking calm चलाऊ. So हम लोग इसके साथ काम चलाएंगे. And now we will continue आगे की story. I still remember I once opened a classroom window because गर्मी हो रही थी and a teacher came in and she was like, window बंद करो, लड़के देख लेंगे. And I was standing there like, ma'am, they are also just students. The way our school reacted to boys and girls interacting, it was like eye contact itself causes lifelong consequences. Now comes the incident that started my downfall. Annual function, dance practice, entire friend group together, and Chutki ma'am was leading our group, which honestly was her first mistake. So, because practices चल रही थी, so we got permission to bring phones to school. अब 6-7 टीनेजर्स जो एक ही फ्रेंड ग्रुप में है, बहुत chaotic है, बहुत पागलपंती करते हैं, उनके हाथ में आप फोन ला के दे दो. इधर से मेन स्टोरी स्टार्ट होती है. First day, like the responsible child I was, I literally went and handed the phone over to Chutki ma'am. Like literally I was like, ma'am, ye lijiye. Teacher's pet behavior. I know that. But then my friends happened. They were evil. Like genuinely terrible influences. Now during practice हम लोग random photos click कर रहे थे, like random snaps, random videos, and because we were undercover CID agents in our heads, हम लोगों ने सोचा कुछ करा जाए, and some of the photos ended up being sent to boys block friends too. Now at that moment we thought we were being very sneaky, but what we forgot was CCTV exists. And apparently Chutki ma'am had also seen us. The next day I wasn't in school, and that day everything exploded. Like apparently the complaints reached principal sir, and phones, photos, classroom chaos. And you know what my friends told me? That Chutki ma'am entered in class like full angry mode. And trust me, when I say angry mode, I mean it. Full angry mode. And then next day, I went to school. Biggest mistake of mine. Literally biggest. My class teacher literally called me out in front of the entire class, and I was so scared and I was so innocent at that time. Like, I literally confessed myself. Like, she was saying, तुमने photos भेजे, and instead of denying, I was like, मैम बस एक ही भेजा था. Why would I say that, bro? Why? Self-destruction level maximum. Like, maximum. The next day, my best friend, Hari Putter. Don't ask me why I call her Hari Putter. I just love Hari Putter, so her name will be Hari Putter. So she was using my phone again during biolab, and that again got caught in the CCTV. At this point, our school's surveillance system was even stronger than the FBI. Suddenly, seniors are coming, phones are getting tinned, everyone's panicking and everyone's crying. And my friends were like, Arya, you are teacher's favorite, so you go and talk to the principal. Which was honestly the biggest scam ever. So, I go to principal's office and principal sir was like, तुमसे expected नहीं था. And I was internally dying. Sir asked, permission किसने दी phone लाने? And I instantly said, Chutki ma'am. The second I said that, I knew my academic career, it's over in the school. Like, literally over. Because sir immediately called Chutki ma'am. And the way she got scolded because of us. Yeah, that was the beginning of the end. After that, things became weird between me and Chutki ma'am. Like, after the whole phone disaster, I could really feel the difference. Like, earlier she used to like me a lot. And honestly, I also started becoming more argumentative. Like, I was not the innocent victim. I had opinions, attitude, and मैं जवाब भी देने लगी थी sometimes. So things obviously got worse between us. Now comes the final boss battle. 26th January parade. So in our school, the assistant head girl usually gets one of the top positions in the parade, but this time my position got given to another girl. And the problem was, me and that girl already didn't like each other. So I completely lost my temper. And I went to Chutki ma'am and fully vented. Like, fully. I was like, you favor your favorites. You're being unfair. आप मेरे साथ weird behave कर रहे हो. And poor woman was staring at me like. And meanwhile, entire school had basically formed an audience around it because free entertainment. Okay, before continuing the later part of the story, let me tell you one of the stories which is related to this only, but थोड़ा सा different है, but मैंने सोचा बताते हैं. Because on 26th January, parade के दिन, right before the parade was gonna start, that girl's position, where that girl was standing, which was technically my position, principal sir ordered the teachers to switch my position with hers, which means I got my position, my actual position, the assistant head girl's position back, and I was so happy, so happy. Like, मैंने उस बंदी को ऐसे साइड आई दिया और ऐसे स्मोक किया. Now, after that, I realized I had gone way too far. So the next day, I apologized to her, and luckily she forgave me. But after that, we never really talked normally again. And later in 10th grade, I even heard कि उन्होंने ऐसा कहा था कि इस बार आर्या गुप्ता को कोई पोजीशन मत देना, which honestly fair enough. Looking back now, this entire story feels like a fever dream. And genuinely, I don't hate any teacher from that school. Like at that age, everybody was dramatic. Me especially. But yeah, from being teacher's favorite to public enemy, that journey was definitely something. Also, Mummy Papa, if you somehow watched till here, sorry. चलो बाय बाय, मोर क्यों सून। गाने से पहले मेरा मेकअप अच्छा हुआ है, तुम लोगों को उधर नहीं दिख रहा होगा, ये देखो। I do look good. We trusted the process and the process really ate. Also, जितनी बार भी तुमने लाइट्स चेंज होते हुए देखे हैं और मेरा हेयर स्टाइल चेंज होते हुए देखा है, मुझे माफ कर दो। ये मेरा पहला स्टोरी टाइम वीडियो, मेरा पहला इंट्रो के बाद पहला तो समझ लो टेक्निकली पहला ही वीडियो है, बट हाँ इंट्रो आ चुकी है, पर ठीक है, मुझे इतना नहीं आता है, माफ कर देना। सॉरी, चलो बाय।